Hi everybody, this is Matt. Thanks for watching and welcome back. Well, the last couple of nights I have been diligently cleaning a lot of my handguns, and I ran into a particular issue with this Glock 19. It was the very last thing I cleaned at the end of the night, and before I went to put it into the case, I went ahead and function checked it, did this, and then made a mental note going, that trigger pull is a lot harder than what I remember. So let's check it tomorrow. And I did. Well, one of the first things I did was I put it on the trigger scale and the poundage was way up there. But B, I racked it like this, and then as I come off the trigger to get to that audible reset point, I then removed my finger, and instead of the trigger jumping forward like this, where this little tang comes down and the safety is engaged, what was happening was it wasn't coming forward all of the way. So any side pressure would allow it to fire. Well, obviously that is an unsafe condition. So I tore it down, and what did I find? I found that I have Glock parts here. So if you allow me to get close to the camera, you see right here where this spring is supposed to run into that groove, and you'll see where my finger is moving. What I found was the spring was canted. It was off just like this. So with that spring being canted, that was the issue. I get the spring back righting where it should be, right there, and problem solved. Everything reset just fine. So this is the way it's not supposed to be. This is the way that it's supposed to be. So did I remove any of this assembly when I went to clean the Glock? No, I did not. I simply cleaned the barrel, the slide, wiped things down, because I don't think that you really have to get in here every time and completely tear it down. But I did discover that that was the issue. After I corrected that and safety checked it, everything was fine. So if you ever run into that problem, that's one of the first things that you should check, because it is a safety issue. So I hope that this helps, and until next time, everybody, thanks for watching, and be safe out there. Have a good one.